this tutorial you will learn how to create AWS account, which is Amazon Web Service account, and in the coming tutorial you will learn how to create I am a user account and even upload file to the S3 using Java Spring Boot. But now we will focus on the creating account. Now let's go to complete sign up. Okay, here let's go to create a new AWS account. Okay, here we have user, email, and then account name. So in my case I have this coding techniques 15@gmail.com. okay, and then the account name will be coding techniques. Okay, here we have coding techniques and then coding techniques 15@gmail. Let's verify. So the verification code is sent to my email. Okay, now let's go to the email. Okay, here is the verification code sent by the Amazon Web Service. We will copy the verification code and then paste it here. So let's verify. Okay, so we verify. Now we will add the password. Okay, okay, here is the password, and then let me confirm the password. Okay, now let's continue. Password mismatch. Okay, let me add the password again. Okay, let's continue. So now the password is correct. Okay, now we will add the detail, full name, phone number, and the city. Okay, so let's start with the contact information. How do you plan to use the AWS? Now let me set the for personal, for your own project. Okay, and then here the full name, we will add coding techniques. Okay, now we have to put the phone number. So the country, Nigeria. Okay, so here is the phone number, the region also as Nigeria. Okay, I will add the address here. Okay, so this is not necessary here. Let me add the city and then state or province. Okay, and the postal code as well. So I have read and agreed to the terms. Now let's go to step 3. Okay, here we will add the detail of the card. So we will add the billing information card. So we will not charge you, here is written, we will not charge you for usage below AWS free tier limit. We may temporarily hold up to $1 or equivalent amount in local currency depending on the transaction. So now let's add the credit number. So at the expiration, and we will add the card holder name. Okay, so and now the next thing we will do is to verify and continue. I think all the necessary detail we have added here is okay. So here we have, before you can use your AWS account, you must verify your phone number. Now let's add the phone number and verify. Okay, we have Nigeria and the mobile phone number. So, and then we will add this character as well. R8 and then followed by FSR. So we will send an SMS. So here we will verify the code sent by the Amazon Web Service. In my case is 60 and then 87. So we will continue to the step 5. So here we have the basic, okay, free. I will use the free here, recommended for new users just getting started with AWS, and then 24/7 self-service access to AWS resource. Okay, so now let's complete the sign up. Okay, so now we will go to the AWS management console. Here we will sign as a root user. So let me add the email address. So here we have the email address, and then we will add the password. Okay, let's sign in. So now we have successfully signed to the AWS account, and then there are so many services here to be offered. So this is the AWS account, and you can search for a service. Here we have an S3, which is simple storage service. So this is the last, and we have created account. And in the next tutorial you will learn how to create I am a user account, and then you will even learn how to upload file to the Amazon S3 using Spring Boot Java.